Hello friends, my name is Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily add watermark into your Word document. And friends, in this tutorial I will guide you. You can add watermark as a text and logo, so keep watching. So friends, what I will do, first of all I am going to open my Word software. This is Microsoft Word 2019. So friend, my Word software is open right now. So here I'm going to open one sample document. So this is my sample Word document. So here I'm going to add a simple watermark with tags, and after that I will show you how you can customize that word into your custom word. And here also I am going to show you how you can add your logo and then apply as a watermark, so keep watching. So what I will do, simply here you can see this is the menu tab. So first you click on this design tab, and here right hand top you can see here watermark icon. So simply click over here with the drop down button, so you will get many options. Here you can see these confidential tags, just click here. So friend, you can see this watermark is applied as a confidential. If you want to align with center or like that, so what you will do, simply just click on this tags, so it will change. And if you want to customize this tags as your custom word, then what you will do, simply click here this custom watermark, and here you can see this tags. So friend, here I'm going to add my name as a watermark, and here what you will do, simply you can change your font and everything, size you can change with the color and everything you can change over here. So here I'm going to click on this OK button, and now you can check. Now you can see this is confidential to change Vijay with the watermark. So this is the text watermark. Now I'm going to show you how to add logo as a watermark. So what you will do, simply click here this watermark icon, and now click here custom watermark. And now what you will do, simply click here this picture watermark and select picture which you want to add as a watermark. So what you will do, simply click here this file, from a file, then click on this desktop, and this is one sample logo which I want to add as a watermark. And here you can see this is logo watermark into this Word document. So what I will do, simply just if you want to send this watermark document with your friends or your colleague, just simply save as a PDF and send to them. So I'm going to show you as a sample, so you will get the idea. So here I'm going to save this file as a PDF, and we will see how watermark will look into PDF file. So friend, you can see this is the PDF file, and here this is watermark is available into this document. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on this like button and share with your friends and family, so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer about your query. So again friends, subscribe my YouTube channel so you will learn like this tutorial, and keep watching this video.